Okay, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's begin your test. I'm your examiner today. My name's RP. What's your full name?
My name is Indu Chauhan.
Okay, Indu, can I see your ID please?
Here it is, sir.
Show me the first and last page of your passport. Thank you.
This one is first and this is last.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, do you think birds play an important role in human life?
Definitely, birds do play very important role. Firstly, birds, they help in pollination and also they keep insect population in check. Also, in ancient culture, birds were used as messengers to send messages from one place to another. Our movies and all our songs also show this.
Okay, what can we do to save birds?
Different ways can be adopted to save birds. Like we can plant more trees, and also what our parents used to do, they used to feed birds with grains and also provide them with water, especially in hot weather. We can adopt those practices to help our birds out and in turn us.
Okay, in many countries, smoking at public places is banned. Do you support or oppose this idea?
I'm strongly in favor of this idea, as I know smoking is injurious to health as well as passive smoking. It is also harmful. Even non-smokers who are in company of smokers, they feel suffocated. It can also lead to fatal diseases like cancers and tumors. So I'm very strongly, I believe that in every country, smoking should be prohibited in public areas.
Okay, and why do people visit museums?
In my opinion, different people visit museums for different purposes. Some for educational and some for recreational. Students and those who want to increase their knowledge, they visit museum for educational purposes, and those who just want to pass their time and travelers, they visit there for recreational purposes.
Okay, this is time for your cue card. Your topics for cue card is describe an international day you celebrate, which this day is, why it is important internationally, and how you celebrate it. This is your cue card. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare and your time starts now. Okay, your time's up. Start, please.
Today, I want to talk about World Environment Day. Being a teacher, I'm health conscious and I also like to take care of my environment. This day is celebrated on 5th of June. And main motto to celebrate this day is what are the steps that we can take so that we can take care of our environment and also make people aware of the environment around them. On this day, what we do is we organize campaigning day, and in evening we do candle march. Sad to say, but people in my hometown, what they do is they are not much aware of environmental issues. They throw garbage here and there. One can find heaps of garbage in town. For this, 6 months back, we started Happy Trees Club. In starting, we were 3 of us, and now our number has grown to 50. We 50 are active members of this club, and you would be delighted to know that we have grown more than 500 trees in and around our town. And I'm also seeing enthusiastic response from the people, especially who are less educated. And furthermore, I would like to say that it is us who have destroyed our environment, whether it is by deforestation or by pollution. So now it is our sole responsibility to take care of our environment so that we can provide a clean air to breathe in and a clear environment to live in for our future generations to come.
Okay, let me ask you some more questions.
Yes.
Do you think international days are important?
Yes, definitely. International days are very important. They show us what malpractices are going in and what are the steps we can take so that we become more aware and to protect us from them. Like World's AIDS Day, World Cancer Day, they make us aware what are the steps we can take so that we can be prevented from these diseases, and even for celebrating our humanity. Like Global Parents Day, it is celebrated to celebrate parenthood.
Okay, let me ask you some follow-up question as well. Do you think international days are important?
Yes, definitely. International days are important. They make us aware about the malpractices and diseases that are going on, and also to celebrate humanity. Like World AIDS Day, World Cancer Day, they make us aware about these diseases and what are the steps that we can take to prevent us from these diseases. And also Global Parents Day, it is celebrated so that we can know more about parenting and make our future generations more capable and more kind.
Okay, do the ordinary people celebrate of such days?
In my opinion, ordinary people are so busy in their lives that they don't get time to celebrate these days, and they are wandering here and there for their jobs also. In my country especially, unemployment is very rampant. So I would say they do not take care of such issues, but they should. I think so.
Okay, and what is the role of media?
Media plays a very important role, whether it is print media or electronic media. Print media like magazines and local newspapers, electronic media like Facebook, Twitter. We get to know beforehand which day is coming and how to celebrate it. So its role is very indispensable, I would say.
Okay, and last question for today, and that is, are the government serious in such matters?
Governments are not so serious as they should be. They are spending crores of rupees in advertisements when these days are coming for 2-3 days, and rest of year nothing is happening. For this, I believe government should actively participate. Maybe they are doing this to show numbers to United Nations. And this drive can only be made successful when government and common people join hands, and different agencies can also take part in, like NGOs and different self-help groups can also take part in. So make drive successful and make our country a better place to live in.
Okay, this is the end of your interview. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, after listening the whole video of this candidate, I can say that she needs to work her fluency because it looked a little bit unnatural, but that was, I think, because of her accent, which was understandable. Regarding grammatical range and accuracy, that was fine, but she fumbled in between. The vocabulary and lexical resource were also good, but she could make them much better if she wanted. Some are exceptional, such as she spoke like wandering, the word wandering, in spite of saying wandering. When people are wandering here and there, not wandering here and there. And once she made again mistake, the government should spend, the government spend lakhs and crore of rupees in advertisement. No, that's not fine. And she should have spoken, the government spend lakhs and crore of rupees on advertisement, not in advertisement. And moreover, like she spoke, the government should actively participate. So it is not convincing, and she should have spoken better spoken. Like the government should organize camps and campaign on large scale to educate people at grassroots level so that they could participate actively and make this drive more successful, something like that. But overall, I would say her speaking was good and she deserved to get band 7. Thank you.